Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will show you the new time registration, which is part of our manufacturing scanning app. Therefore, we will focus on the two actions, production consumption and on the production output. First of all, we look up the production consumption. We simply scan our production order, and we end up directly in the consumption. Now, in the bottom, we do see there's a new dialog for the registration for the time. If I look that dialog up, we get directly an instant overview over all work centers who are part of our production order. And we do see we have the option to enter the setup times and the run times. I will do that now a little quick for the provisioning of the material. So we do have a setup time of 10 minutes and the runtime probably, let's say 15 minutes. As soon as I enter the runtime, he automatically transferred this information to the work center and we do see it end up directly. The same for the way in. So here also 10 minutes for setup time and let's say 15 minutes for the runtime, and same story here. So this is now one option, how we can register the time within the consumption part. The other option would be, so I let it open for now. I let it open for now and we look up the production output. I change the location a little quick, and also here I simply scan my production order, look it up a little quick. And also here on the bottom, we do have the option to register the time. And we do see it's automatically transferred from the production consumption also into the production output. Because here you have the flexibility where you can decide on which level you would like to add those runtimes. Also here, same procedure. If we look up now the mixing and enter the 50 minutes for setup time and the 25 minutes for the runtime, we transfer everything into the central, and the last step with the quality control. Here also like 30 minutes setup and 10 minutes runtime, and we are done. Those numbers are now automatically attached to our production order. And if you probably forgot to enter times, no worries, we can just look one dialog up, for example, the mixing dialog. So I will add additional 10 minutes for setup. And on the top, we do see currently we do have 15 minutes. I add now 10 minutes on top, and the runtime will also extend it by 15 minutes. And now the system automatically sum up those numbers, and we end up now with 25 minutes for the setup and the 40 minutes for the runtime.